Hey everyone, this is Lorena with WTI. Have you ever wondered what makes the perfect baking pan? Well, say goodbye to burnt cookies and uneven baking with this aluminum cookie pan and stainless steel cooling rack. These are from Saffron Sage Home Living, and it has seriously become my secret weapon for flawless baking, I'm telling you. First of all is the color. The aluminum pan has a light reflective surface that makes sure the heat is evenly distributed. My cookies bake uniformly with a golden brown finish both inside and out. If you love baking NY style cookies like I do, you know the oven needs to be cranked up high, right? These pans handle the heat like a pro, resisting wrapping and rusting, and maintaining their shape and performance even at the highest temperatures. They're made from high quality materials, so this set is built to last. So, if you're looking to elevate your baking game, this aluminum pan set is going to be your best friend in the kitchen. Perfect bakes every time. And that is my point of view.